We've been using and working with Newtec equipment since the mid-80s with weigh heads and bagging machines, and we've been following the life of the Celox machines from the day it started. And then we believe that the machine that we've got now, which is the latest model, it ticks all the boxes. The quality of the actual machine itself, the reliability of it, the way it handles the product, the quality of the cameras, it's just well above our expectations of what I think a machine could or should do. So as you can see, the way the equipment works, we've gone for the 9+1 drop, so we've got 10 sizes, waist, and then we've got 9, and that gives us a good flexibility to supply our customers exactly the size they need or want. Good efficiencies on what we can pack out. We can also pull out different qualities of carrot too for different situations where we've got people that want to use it for processing and other things that we can do. That's made a big difference on our pack out. We've had a long-term relationship with David Proud and Proud Solutions for many years, and nothing's too much trouble. Any issues, they're on site straight away. If you need any parts, you just ring them and they send them. So we can't complain, very good service.